Hello everyone, welcome again. Easy DIY nail art hacks that can be done at home for beginner. Creating your nails done perfectly all by yourself at your home is quite impossible. But if you know the right tricks, there's nothing more fun and satisfactory than doing the nails on your own. Read on to find some clever nail hacks that you would definitely thanks for us. So please keep watching my video. Number 1, creating perfect zigzags. Create perfect balance zigzag or stripe using transparent cello tapes. It is a very simple nail hack to create perfect stripes. Number 2, want lens nails. Step number 1, cut the lens, paint a second coat, place the lens, dry done. Wrap a piece of lens cut out around your freshly painted nail. Use a toothpick to press it onto your nails. Once it dries up, apply a layer of top coat of glossy look. Number 3, getting striped nails was never so easy. Have a fan brush, use it to get thin stripes over your nails in any color you wish. Dip the base of the bristles in the desired color and brush over your nail horizontally. Number 4, use bobby pins to make perfect dots. Polka dots not only look cute on a dress or shoes but also on nail. Here is a perfect way to get polka dots on nails. Use the end of a bobby pin or toothpick. Number 5, create snake skin nail art using a loofah. Wrap a piece of loofah tightly over your nail and use a sponge. Do dab another color over it. Number 6, mini polka dots with band aid. Take the whole part of the band aid and stick it on your nail. Paint over it and peel off. When it dry, tada! There you have perfect mini polka dotted nails. Number 7, use matte eyeshadow to make your own matte nail polish at home. Take a clear nail polish, add your broken trimble or leftover eyebrow to it and mix now. You don't have to part with your favorite eyebrow just yet. Thank you very much for watching this video.